Hey everybody, what's up? Happy Monday! Happy first day of spring! Spring has sprung! Doesn't feel like spring here in New York City. We have snow on the ground. But anyway, I'll be working on the new issue of MMT Trader today, which will be out later on. In the meantime, by the way, if you want to get that, just sign up for the 30-day free trial. Go to my website, pitbulleconomics.com, and right there on the homepage, you'll see get the 30-day free trial. And in the meantime, if you sign up for that, you can look at all the back issues. In any case, as usual, a lot of stuff this time. I got to tell you, like there's been some major developments and ongoing things which I can reveal. First of all, the slowdown, I should say the collapse in credit growth, bank credit, loans and leases has just been stunning. And collapse is an appropriate word. I don't like to use, hyperbolic language. You rarely hear me use language like that. And I always advise not to use overly descriptive language. It's not good for the mental game, but this really is a collapse. I mean, and it is ongoing, and it speaks to a number of issues in the economy, which I think are totally being ignored by investors. I mean, you're starting to see a little bit of coverage about the collapse in loan growth, but it's really coming off of blogs, places like Zero Hedge. You don't see it in the mainstream media. There's still a lot of this euphoria and expectation about Trump and what he's going to do. So you have that. You have major developments in the oil market, at least from a technical perspective. And I'm not talking about charts. I'm talking about market composition, long liquidation. As a matter of fact, I just sent out an email to MMT Traders subscribers and those of you who are on the email list. So check it out. Some really important information that came out from the latest CFTC's Commitment of Traders report. What else? There's a lot of stuff. There is news now that Trump's budget director, Mickey+Mulvaney, and I've spoken a lot about this guy. This guy is a hard money, super fiscal hawk. I talked about this guy from the very beginning when Trump brought him in. I said he is a train wreck waiting to happen. This guy basically lives in a world of false understanding about our monetary system. He believes we have no money, no more dollars. We borrow money from China. We borrow dollars from China. I guess the Chinese are printing dollars in their factories over there. I don't know. But they said they're planning a budget, a balanced budget, the plan of which will be out in May. So it looks like they're very serious about doing some kind of balanced budget deal, which if that's the case, I will go on record to predict a recession for the next 4 years and Trump as a one-term president. If they're actually shooting for a balanced budget, it's over. It's done. And this rally, everybody who piled into this stock market rally based on the hopes and dreams of the tax cut and the infrastructure spending, which, we still have to see. The current budget, which the White House put together, has enormous cuts to domestic spending. Yeah, we got the biggest increase in military spending ever in a budget, but that is going to be offset dollar for dollar, if not more, because I saw a list of the percentages being cut at all these various agencies. And, I know the numbers because I get them right off of the daily treasury statement, the annual outlays of these agencies. The percentage cuts are going to be way above the 54 billion anticipated spending boost that is going to happen under the Trump budget. So, we got, for the next 4 years, it could get very dicey. And you have this mountain of expectation that has been built in to stock prices right now based on who knows what's going to happen. Big tax cuts, big tax cuts. Basically, the only thing really concrete that they have spoken about is the reduction in the corporate tax rate, which I have explained to you $338 billion is the total amount of corporate taxes taken in out of $2.8 trillion of total taxes that the federal government takes in. So that's 12%. They're only paying 12% right now. So, I mean, cutting from 35 to 20, I don't know what, that's more symbolic than anything else. So you have that. You have what's going on with, the inflation situation, market composition. A lot of stuff developed. By the way, that whole balanced budget thing, if Trump anticipates that, you can run a balanced budget. You could even run a budget surplus, but somebody else has to do the spending. And if Trump envisions that the foreign sector will spend their savings in dollars, he's going to have to smash the dollar way, 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 way down. Now, that's the only way out of a massive 4-year recession. And, you do that. That's big time. Big time inflation. You got all kinds of things happening from that, which, of course, I will be on top of. Every single trade that has been closed out from MMT Trader has been a profit. In baseball language, we are batting 1,000, and that's not by luck. That's going to continue at all times. I had another student just email me today, closed out another profitable trade. The guy is basically, he's been trying to become a trader for years unsuccessfully because following the ridiculous wisdom of the stop losers. Now guess what? He's with me, Mike Norman, batting 1,000. Has not had a single loss, closing out his trade again today at a profit, practicing mental game, improving on his mental game. It's all there. It's all there for the taking, but you have to come over to me. All right, so that's going to be it for this video. I'll probably see you guys only later on today because I'm going to be working really, really hard on the MMT Trader. Get the 30-day trial. Go to pitbulleconomics.com. Sign up for it. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.